to the door. I don't need to hear all that. Doorbell. Oh, no.
Why don't they have no doorbell?
They do, but it says repair in progress, so I don't know what that means.
Girl Scout!
Give me a shortbread, thanks, they got $3. $12.